Okay, tell me how close this is. In the workbook, which most people call an Excel spreadsheet, but in these individual tabs along the bottom, like work orders, inventory masters, those are technically called the sheets to use the terminology properly, which may or may not avoid confusion. One of the sheets is the work orders. We'd have a column for the actual work order number, and then a 01 is a still open or closed, which comes in useful, you'll see in a second, tail number, customer, and various other things that you may want to know about the work order in your Excel spreadsheet. That particularly comes in useful because from that we can do a mail merge that will take all those work order numbers along with the tail number for human confirmation and put them in a barcode so that we don't have to type in the work order number, saving us a little bit of potential error. Notice that it is only printing out the work order numbers where the open field is a 1, and that way as we close work orders and we reprint the cheat sheet knows to only print out and use up paper for the work orders that are still open. And by the way, these can also be printed on labels, so you could also peel them off and stick them on the actual paper work order if you want to. Moving right along, the other main sheet that we use is the transactions, which asks for the serialized barcode, the quantity used, and the work ticket number. The serialized barcode, this little fellow over here, as I understand it, is a unique thing that we want to scan, and it will tie into, you'll have to manually enter a heat and lot number for a specific part. Okay, so if this works, I'll just grab the little scanner. Isn't it cute? And I see if I can do this with one hand. Scan the barcode. Notice that it brought it in. Hit the tab key. Press the quantity. It went up into there. And then I take a work order number. And that brings it in. Now, the part that I don't have yet done, and if you don't need it, then my job is over, thank God, it's not a biggie, I just have to see if it can be done with the scanner, is to automatically move your cursor back down to the first column of the next row. That's the part that I'm having a lot of trouble with. So, and then if you're doing this where you have access to the keyboard, then Henry, your job is over. And I just simply scan the bag again, scan another quantity, scan the work order, and so it is. And then we're done. So, tell me how that's working for you.